Have you ever worried about keeping up with your grandkids? Or felt a pang of concern that one day you might lose the strength to live on your own terms? That feeling of unsteadiness, or opening a jar feeling harder than it used to, it's a quiet fear many of us face as we get older. Every night you go to bed, you could be losing the very muscle that guarantees your independence. But here's the quiet truth. While you sleep, your body can begin to break down muscle tissue for energy. This is a condition known as age-related sarcopenia, and it can slowly rob you of your strength and your freedom, all while you're resting. But what if I told you that the secret to defending your strength could be found in a simple bedtime snack? A snack that can act as a 7-hour shield for your muscles, helping you wake up feeling stronger. Before we dive in, if you believe in taking control of your own health journey, please take a moment to subscribe and click the like button. And let me ask you, have you noticed any changes in your strength recently? Let us know in the comments below. You are not alone, and tonight we can start to change that. Before we get to these powerful foods, it's critical to understand why this is happening. While we sleep, our bodies enter a long fasting state. Without a fresh source of fuel, our bodies need energy to keep essential systems running. And for many seniors, this means breaking down precious muscle tissue for that fuel. This process is a silent threat. As you sleep, you can enter what's called a negative protein balance, where you are breaking down more muscle than you are building, night after night. This is why you might feel you're doing everything right during the day, but still feeling weaker over time. This age-related muscle loss has a scientific name: sarcopenia. It's not just about losing the ability to lift heavy things. It's about the growing risk of falls, the loss of mobility, and the struggle to perform simple daily tasks. Poor sleep quality is also linked to a higher prevalence of sarcopenia, creating a vicious cycle where poor sleep accelerates muscle loss. But the good news is, you can fight back. And it starts with what you eat in the hour before your head hits the pillow. The key lies in a specific type of protein that acts like a slow-release fuel source for your muscles. It's called casein protein. Unlike other proteins that get used up quickly, casein digests slowly, releasing its building blocks over the course of 6 to 8 hours. That makes it the perfect defense for bedtime. So, what is the best source of this incredible muscle-shielding protein? Asterisk. Food Hasson, the one spoonful secret. Cottage cheese. Asterisk. Cottage cheese is a game changer for anyone over 60 trying to hold onto muscle. For decades, it has been a secret weapon for bodybuilders, and for good reason. Just a single cup can pack a massive 25 grams of high-quality casein protein. Think of it as a steady, overnight supply of strength. A study showed that older adults given casein protein before bed had a significant increase in overnight muscle protein synthesis. That means they held onto muscle and even built more. Cottage cheese is also valuable for its high content of an amino acid called leucine. Leucine is like the spark plug for muscle growth. It's the primary trigger that tells your cells to start building tissue, and we need more of it as we age. The best time to eat it is 30 to 60 minutes before bed. Choose plain, low-fat cottage cheese and start with half a cup. If it's too plain, add a few berries for natural sweetness. While cottage cheese is the star, variety is important. Asterisk. Food Hash 2. Greek yogurt with walnuts. Asterisk. If cottage cheese isn't for you, Greek yogurt is another fantastic option. It's packed with up to 20 grams of protein per cup, mostly made of the same slow-digesting casein. This provides a quick burst of energy from whey protein, while the casein takes over for the long haul overnight. The magic here is in the combination. Adding a small handful of walnuts introduces healthy fats. These fats slow down digestion even further, extending that protein release. Plus, walnuts contain plant-based omega-3 seconds that help your body fight chronic inflammation, a condition known to accelerate muscle loss. A sprinkle of cinnamon is another great addition for flavor and can help maintain stable blood sugar levels. A cup of plain, unsweetened Greek yogurt with a small handful of walnuts is a perfect bedtime snack. If you're finding this information helpful, please take a moment to like this video. It helps us reach more people who need this message. Protecting your muscles isn't just about protein. The quality of your sleep is just as important. During deep sleep, your body releases growth hormone, which is essential for muscle repair. That's why the next two foods are so important. They don't just provide nutrients, they actively improve your sleep. Asterisk. Food #3. Tart cherries. Asterisk. Tart cherry juice is one of the most effective, natural ways to improve sleep. Tart cherries are one of nature's best sources of melatonin, the hormone that regulates your sleep-wake cycle. Studies have shown that consuming tart cherry juice can lead to longer, more efficient sleep in older adults. Tart cherries are also packed with antioxidants that reduce inflammation and muscle soreness, which can interfere with restful sleep. A small glass of tart cherry juice or a handful of dried tart cherries before bed can support both your sleep and muscle health. Asterisk. Food #4. Kiwi. Fruit ***. This small fruit is a surprising powerhouse for sleep. Kiwis contain compounds that may help boost serotonin, a neurotransmitter your body uses to create melatonin. The science is compelling. One study found that eating 2 kiwi fruits 1 hour before bed helped participants fall asleep faster and spend more time in restorative deep sleep. That's when all-important muscle repair occurs. Kiwis are also rich in antioxidants like vitamin C, which help combat the stress that contributes to muscle breakdown. 2 kiwis an hour before bed is an easy way to improve your sleep, giving your body the best chance to recover. The silent battle for your muscles happens every night, but you are not defenseless. By making a strategic choice in the hour before bed, you can turn this vulnerable period into an opportunity for repair. Whether it's the slow-releasing protein from cottage cheese or the sleep-enhancing magic of tart cherries and kiwi, you now have the tools to build a 7-hour shield for your muscles. Feeling stronger and more confident is not a thing of the past. It's a choice you can make every single evening. You have the power to protect your strength and preserve your independence. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more science-backed tips to help you stay strong and vibrant. And now, I want to hear from you. Which one of these snacks are you going to try first? Let us know in the comments below. Your journey to a stronger you starts tonight.